do I know whether an article is scholarly or peer-reviewed? Essentially, peer-reviewed and scholarly articles mean the same thing. So I may have clicked on the peer-reviewed limit in this or that database, but if I just have the article itself, how do I know just by looking at it whether it is a scholarly article? Let us begin by asking the question of what is peer review? Peer review is a system used to decide whether an article should be published in a peer-reviewed journal. Each paper submitted to a peer-reviewed journal goes through a rigorous process. It is read and evaluated by experts/scholars in the article's subject area. The reviewers assess the article's validity, importance, and originality, and then recommend whether it should be printed in that journal. There are ways to assess whether an article is scholarly. Let's take a look. Authors. Scholarly articles will include information about the authors and their university or research institute's affiliation. Audience. Who is the article written for? Is the article written for a general public or for someone with specialized knowledge? Scholarly articles have a subject-specific rather than general audience in mind. Language. Is a language specialized or technical? Does it assume a background in the subject area? Scholarly articles are written in an academic language. They will assume that the reader understands the context and the subject area. Length. Scholarly articles are typically longer than magazine or newspaper articles in length, which relates to the structure. Scholarly articles will often have headings. They will include or integrate an introduction, literature review, methodology, findings, discussion, and conclusion. Notably, humanities articles tend to be more fluid in the integration of these elements than the heading by heading structure found in the social sciences and sciences. Absolutely. All scholarly articles cite their sources. These citations will include all the information necessary to locate the sources discussed by the authors that you're looking at now. For more information on how to identify peer-reviewed articles or on the peer review process, click on the evaluation criteria link.